Abu Nasir Khan, if a person is COVID-19 positive, then will he fast this Ramadan? Ramadan during lockdown. First, let me explain to you that if a person is positive COVID-19, suffering from COVID-19, most of the people suffering from COVID-19, they're asymptomatic. Or the symptoms come a bit late. Or most of the people, they are mild. They may have a mild cough, they may have a dry cough, they may have a fever. So if they are affected and they have mild symptoms and they can keep the fast, they should keep the fast. But if the fever is too much and they cannot keep the fast, or if they feel they are feeling nauseating or they cannot, it is perfectly all right, because the Quran clearly mentions in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 185, 186, 187, that if you are traveling or if you are sick, then you need not fast, you can compensate later on. But if they are asymptomatic, they are feeling fine, and if they are COVID-19 positive, if they fast, it is better if they can, or if they have got severe symptoms where it has gone to pneumonia, or maybe they are into admitted, or if they are on ventilator, or if they are admitted to ICU, of course, if you cannot take it, please don't keep it. Quran gives you permission. If you are sick, it includes the sickness of COVID-19. You can always compensate later on when Allah gives you health. But if you are fine and if you want to continue on to fast, you can keep it like the Prophet said, that a traveler need not fast. But if he can fast, wants to fast, he can fast while traveling. If he doesn't want to fast and compensate later on, option is his. So same way with COVID-19 positive, if the symptoms are less and you can fast, it's preferably fast. If you can't, then you can compensate later on.